Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I saw this product that was on Amazon that is really amazing, and I wanted to share it with you guys to let you guys know whether or not it is worth it. And pretty much it is by the brand Ravpower. So if you guys see a lot of my videos, then you guys know that I do a lot of product reviews for different products such as like wireless chargers, portable chargers. That's by the brand Ravpower. And this time I have a solar power device that has a flashlight. So enough talking, let me show you guys what it is first. So right here in my hand, if you guys can see, is by Ravpower, and inside here is the solar power portable charger. So let's open it up and show you guys what's inside. So inside here we have the product. This is the portable charger, and this is the accessory, which is a cable. So inside the box we have like the manual and instruction of how to use the device, and there's a happy and not happy card to give you the opportunity to tell them whether or not you like the product. And then right here we have the device itself. It is solar power, as you guys can see. And then for the small box they have a, let's see, so they have a micro USB to USB, and there is a micro USB to USB. So they give you two of them to use to charge the device. So the reason why they provide you these cables is the fact that even though it is solar powered, you can actually have the option to charge it using your USB-C cable. Alright, so let's go over the product now. So as you can see right here, this is a solar panel, and this light right here, it will turn green when there's light. So if I go like that, you guys see that it turns off, but when I turn it towards the light, it turns on. So watch this light right here, guys. So once I turn it this way, there's no light to charge it, it turns off. But once I turn it back, it charges. So if you guys look in the back right here, once you press this button, it shows you of how much power level it is. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is max. So right here is the flashlight, and the way to turn off and on this device would be to press and hold this button. So let's try it right now. So as you can see, the light is actually really bright. So let's turn it off. Alright. So for this product, it actually has not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 different outlets. So the first one right here would be, as you can see, 2 slots that supports USB, and then if you move it to the other side right here, you get another 2, but these 2 is actually USB-C and micro USB. So you get a total of 4 different outlets, 2 that is USB-C, and 1 that is micro USB, and 1 that is USB-C. And you can attach the little hook so you can bring it around with you everywhere you go. So for this portable charger, it is really cool, and I feel like this is mainly if you want to go traveling and you don't have a plug or charger to bring along with you, and you just have it out, let it charge. You can use the natural sunlight, or you can use natural light, which is what I'm using right now, like my light right here that I'm making this video with. So you guys see the light is still on. Alright, so now that we tested the product, now let's do the water test to see whether or not it is waterproof or not. Alright, so right here we have the solar power portable charger that has a flashlight. Let's test it out to see whether or not the solar power still works and whether or not the flashlight works even in water. So first of all, let's turn on the flashlight. It is on. Solar power is still working. Turn on the water. Still on. Alright, as you guys see, the light is still working, everything's still working. Definitely waterproof. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw that video, you guys can see that the product is actually waterproof and it still does work. So for this product, it goes around roughly $40 to $50 for this product, and this product is actually shockproof, dustproof, and waterproof. So that is pretty damn amazing. Like, you get everything you want in this device. You can use USB-C, you can use the regular charger, you can use a quick charge capability, and you also can use iSmart capability. So you get pretty much everything on here except for one thing, which is wireless charging, but that's totally fine because it's solar power. Like, that's pretty amazing already. So to answer the question of whether or not this product is worth it, yes, this product is definitely worth it, and you guys should definitely go check it out if you guys want one. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this unboxing and a little bit testing and showing you guys the product of how it works. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive and be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.